What is the value of the expression 6 plus 44 divided by 2 times open parenthesis 6 minus 1 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Everyone thinks this question is so easy, but it actually tricks a lot of people. Let's dive in and break it down step by step together. Many people, when solving this question, first go for the expression 6 plus 44 and write this expression as 50 divided by 2 times 6 minus 1 inside the parentheses. And the next step, they go for the division between 50 and 2. And this expression simplifies to 25 multiplied by 6 minus 1 inside the parentheses. And the final step, they tackle the expression inside the parentheses and write it as 25 times 5, which ultimately gives them the answer 125. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that the correct answer to this question is option D. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people, when solving this question, first go for the parentheses and write this expression as 6 plus 44 divided by 2 times 5. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 2 and 5 because they believe multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 6 plus 44 divided by 10. Then, they go for the division between 44 and 10 because they think division has a higher priority than addition. And they rewrite this expression as 6 plus 4.4, which ultimately gives them the answer 10.4. And they conclude that option B is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. And this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. We must follow the order of operations step by step from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have an addition sign, then a division sign, followed by a multiplication, and finally parentheses. We must start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 6 plus 44 divided by 2 times 5. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, because multiplication and division have a higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have the same level of priority. In this case, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 44 and 2, which simplifies this expression to 6 plus 22 times 5. And the next step, it's time for the multiplication between 22 and 5, because multiplication has priority over addition. So, instead of this expression, we can write 6 plus 110, which ultimately gives us the answer 116. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question.